I've got a question for you.
Lights on, yeah, they are.
So, remember how Metter was talking about his daughter? She's a teacher, and she sat down the kid that played for, I don't know, it was probably Grand Theft Auto for 17 hours straight. And then she sat down the classroom and had a discussion about, do you remember what she had a discussion about? Making good choices.
Oh, okay, yeah, I see.
Making good choices.
Okay.
The whole way up here, I was trying to...
Make good choices?
Well, no, make good choices, but I was trying to define that. And I wanted to ask you, what does making good choices mean to you?
Not doing bad things.
Not making bad choices?
Yes.
Wow,
Exactly.
that's brilliant.
Precisely.
Good Lord. Oh, man.
The opposite of that little voice inside of you. That's when that little voice speaks up inside of you and you get that little iffy feeling, you know you're doing something wrong.
How do you know that? Like, Hitler had a little voice inside of him.
Oh, Hitler had
And he listened to it.
He did listen to it.
Right? So how do you nothing, you got nothing on, nothing.
It just, I mean, bad choice following the Bible, I guess. If it's not following God's commandments. So, would you want to be treated the way you treat somebody? Would you like to be treated that way? If not, then you're doing something wrong.
Is the word analytical? Like, kind of like always trying to apply logic?
Oh, yeah, I'm not logical.
You're not logical?
I'm emotional.
Are you really? I'm always doing a cost-benefit analysis.
Of course you are.
Well, and the sum of my equation should always is always like, does it do good? Do good always.
Putting the sum into this.
Yes.
Yeah.
The sum.
I know some pump.
Some pump. Oh, I hope that guy's okay. There's a guy that just fell. Bro, let's go turn around and check on him. He did not look too good.
Alright.
Making good choices. We'll continue this in a second. We got to go help somebody that fell. Hopefully make a good choice. Sorry about that. Speaking of making good choices, there's a old guy that was walking and he fell because it was slippery and pulled over. Matt dropped me off and helped him back up again. Anyways, making good choices. Do good always. That could not have come at a better time.
Plan.
Yeah, seriously, that was and you know what? You're never ever going to run out of people to help. There's so many opportunities to...
Hopefully they don't take advantage of it.
Yeah, and there is a fine line, absolutely. There's people that just looking for a free ride, but we were driving and that guy fell. He was on the ground and like I could just see the look in his eyes, and he looked like he desperately needed help. So, anyways, do good always. Make good choices. Make good choices. Can you tell me a little bit about that?
That is a Viking on a yellow backdrop.
We're outfitting our shop and picking up a bunch of tools from Anchorage.
Picking bunch up.
And that bandsaw had a Viking on it. Our uncle did an ancestry DNA test.
Sure did.
And what were we, like 68% Baltic states, which is kind of like mostly kind of Viking-ish. Lithuania, Latvia. Shipbuilders, carpenters. The other day we had a conversation with our dad and we asked him, hey, like, where's our lineage?
What can we do to have that lineage live on?
Well, like, pay homage to...
I guess what we're doing here is exactly that.
Yeah, so it was neat. We've always just kind of done what we do and haven't really put any thought into why we do what we do, and professionally anyways, building, construction, this and that. And it's kind of in our blood, maybe, if you can say that. But
Some people or creatures, they're innate behavior, like you're just born with some sort of base knowledge, like fish knowing how to swim, or other examples, etc.
But anyways, apparently woodworking goes back far in our lineage. That's what we do, and we never really thought about it, why we went into what we did, but it just felt natural, and we do it. And yeah, so we got a massive woodworking project.
Well, not the first one.
What's that?
One is tiny.
The first one is tiny. We're gonna build a little timber frame bell tower, looking for a bell. Yeah, not the bell tower. Looking for a bell with historic significance, something to do with Alaska, for it to kind of tell a story. And we're gonna start with a little bell tower once we get the shop set up, and that's exciting in and of itself.
Yeah.
We are so stoked. We're so excited to do this all.
We're in a great space. We got some cool goodies to install next few days. Or tonight. I don't know.
And with the good Lord's help, hopefully we prevail.